program is one of the vibrant initiatives of the Northwest Language and Cultural Center as we pursue our mission to inspire and nurture intercultural understanding. We wanted to encourage the development of skills in our community that can contribute to a thriving, peaceful global society. And so in 2015, in the Langley Middle School, over the course of 6 weeks, 4 days per week, we presented 5 different cultures to the 6th grade students. And with the cooperation of their teacher, Jenny Campbell, we did an experiential program, basically, that exposed the students to these 5 distinct cultures: Japan, Southeastern Africa, Brazil, Pacific Northwest Native American tribes, and also Scandinavia. We really invited presenters that were native to those cultures or that had very intimate relationship to them.
We presented various rhythms from Cuba, and then their ancestral rhythms in Cuba come from Africa. By the time we were done, we had the whole group up. They were actually clapping 2 rhythms. We were assigning them different parts. And I just believe that that kind of learning is something that will stick with them.
Regardless of the continent or the place one is living or the culture, how similar the human condition is and how similar living patterns are and just habits of daily life. In the Global Culturals program, the opportunities for children who are eager to learn and hungry to learn this sort of similarity can be exposed to other cultures and see that people in other places are not so different from them, that there is no other, that we are one, and through that are able to have a greater sense of compassion and connectedness with the world at large.
The Northwest Language Academy Global Cultures Program is so important, especially in these times when the other is everywhere, whether it's refugees or the fact that people of color are going to be the dominant color in this country.
I realized just the enthusiasm, from the kids, because they were meeting somebody for the first time from another country who spoke a different language. So through what global culture expansion, is doing, it's fun to see what they will do and how they will experience the world. But just planting that seed, I felt like I did my job in that regard.
Learning about other cultures and so that people don't judge other people by how they act.
I think it's important because you can connect with people all around the world, and that's communication, so we can connect and commune ideas and stuff.
With this program, you dive deeper into a culture. We have people coming from Zimbabwe, eat a lot of food, dance with them. You really get to interact. All the people are just so friendly. It's a really good program.